Welcome to Manipur.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for buying us country.
I hope this would be your first visit and performance.
Yes.
So how do you feel about it?
We're very excited. It's been many years since we've come to India, so we're very excited to perform tonight at the festival. And we are really
Are there any surprises on the set lines for tonight?
We performed some new songs for the new album. I was going to say what you said. Yeah. So I think that's I'll tell you what's new blue and here.
Hope you'll enjoy this.
Thank you so much for having us.
thank you. One love. One love. One love.
One picture together, please. Yeah? Please, with the whole band. Sir.
Blue is here.
Get out of that one. Get in this one. Let's go.